Well, hey again, everyone. This is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and in today's video, I'm going to do a modification on my winter solar water heater. Now, originally, when I built this thing, it was an experiment, and I was intending it to be a solar furnace and a solar water heater all together. But what happened was it didn't work out so good because when the cooler air from the shed came into the box, circulating through the box, it would draw the heat off the water pipes, so it was ineffective as a water heater collector. So I discontinued the use of it as a furnace, and ever since it's been built, it's just been used for heat and water. But now I'm going to do a modification on it that hopefully will give me the intended results I was hoping for when I started out building this thing. And as you see over there, I've got some glass sitting up there, and it needs to be cleaned up first before it's put in. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a layer of glass directly over the pipes itself and run it all the way down to the end and seal it off, so that when I put air through this thing, coming through this pipe here, circulating through here, this will be sealed off back here from the shed's airflow, keeping it from cooling down. And what I'm hoping is, and I don't know if this will happen or not, if there's enough heat energy that'll escape back through the glass and come into the second compartment to give me a decent amount of heat to make it worth its while to do this project and give me some more heat for my shed. Whether that's going to happen or not, I don't know. So we'll get it all put together and find out what happens. And so this is part one, and in part two, we'll find out if this experiment was a success or not. And until then, I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.